Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Sergey, your teacher for today. And now I'm going to discuss to you on how to use the Educa Play. But first, let us first define or what is Educa Play. Educa Play is a free web-based platform that allows teachers and students to create and share interactive and gamified learning activities. As you recall, during pandemic online class, teachers use different types of gaming activities like crosswords, video quizzes, math quizzes, and etc. And now I'm going to teach you on how to use the Educa Play, how to create or make an activities or quizzes using this website. Next slide. So now let's start. Search Educa Play and click their website. Next, how to log in? Just click the three bar lines at the right top part of your screen and click the login button as you can see in the pictures. Next, if you already have an account in Educa Play, type your email and password. If you don't have any, log in with your preferred Google account, just like in the pictures. Next. Now check both of the boxes and sign up. On the right side picture, you may choose your preferred activities. There's an alphabet, crosswords, etc. Next. In here, I choose the Froggy Games. Now, using Froggy Games, enter your preferred topic or lesson to generate questions. And after that, wait for a while until it is completed. Next one. Check the results, each questions and choices. If you don't like the results, you can still edit the questions and the choices. After checking, click the publish at the right bottom part to publish your own activity. Next one. Then after you publish it, you can finally play it. Now, to share the link, click the share icon and copy the link, just like in the pictures. In this slide, I'm using the other account. Click the link and it will direct you to the game. Next. And then, edit your preferred name as a player and click the start button to start the game. Tada! And here's the results! Back to the POV of the game maker. To find the scores who played the game, click the dashboard and click the reports, as you can see in the pictures. Now, click the game report, the arrow down button, and the figure of speech quiz. You'll see the scores and the statistics. Next, just like in the game report, you can see also the statistics in player report. And just like that, that's how you use the Educa Play in creating a gamified activities. I think that's all for today. Thank you for listening.